Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So the trees and plants, there are 2 million varieties. Kavara Lakkhaminsati, Krimaya Rudra Sankaka, and the insects, they are 1100,000. So it is a puzzling thing that how Vedic literature places everything very correctly. 9,000, 900,000, 1100,000, 2 million, as they are. This is called realization. So, we take it for granted. Our facility is, because we accept the Vedas as authority, therefore the knowledge is there ready. If somebody asks me or you, can you say how many forms of living entities are there within the water? It is very difficult. Even the biologist cannot say. Although they are very expert, I cannot say. But our facilities, we can immediately say there are 900,000. Although I have never experimented, neither seen personally. But because it is explained in the Vedic literature, I can say you correctly. Therefore, in the Vedanta Sutra, it is said that you want to see or perceive directly anything. Just like so many rascals come, they challenge, can you show me God? So, yes, we can show you God, provided you have got the eyes. God can be seen by different type of eyes, not these eyes. That is stated in the Shastra. Atha Sri Krishna Namadi Navavet Grayam Indriyai. Indriya means these senses, these material senses. With these material senses, you cannot experience directly what is the form of the Lord, what is His quality, what does He do, so many things you want to know about the Supreme. But Shastra describes the qualities of the Lord, the form of the Lord, the activities of the Lord. You can learn. Shastra Jonithyat. Joni means source. Source. Shastra Jonit. Shastra Chokkhushyat. Your eyes should be the Shastra, not these blunt eyes. Everything we also experience by Shastra, by book. So, we have to see through the authorized book the description, which is beyond our perception. Achinta khaluje bhava, natas tarkena jujay. Tarkena by argument, which is beyond your sense perception. So many things. Even if we see daily so many planets, stars in the sky, but we have no information. They are going directly to see the moon planet, but hopelessly coming back. It is very doubtful to say. and they have got a dogmatic impression. Except this planet, in other planets, so many, there is no life. These are not perfect understanding. From Shastra journey, if you want to see through the Shastra, there is a moon planet. We have got information from Srimad Bhagavatam that there the people, they live for 10,000 of years. And what is that measurement of year? Our 6 months equal to their 1 day. Now, such 10,000 of years, just imagine. It is called Daiva Varsha. Daiva Varsha means year according to the demigods calculation. Just like Brahma's day, that is demigods calculation. Sahasra bhujuga parjantam arahajjat brahmano vidu. We have got information from Bhagavad-gita. Krishna says that they calculate the years of the demigod. Everyone's year is calculated. This is called, this is accepted by the modern science, relative truth, or the law of relativity. A small ant, he has got also 100 years age. But the ant's 100 years and our 100 years different. This is called relative. According to your size of body, everything in relationship, our 100 years and Brahma's 100 years, that is different. Therefore Krishna said, calculate like this. Sahasra juga pajantam arhajjat brahmano vidu.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,